Core EHS Solutions proudly congratulates all winners and organizers of the 17th Exceed Occupational Health, Safety, Security, and Leadership Award and Conference 2025, themed 360-degree Safety at Work. We are honored to have been the knowledge partner for this prestigious event, held in Jaipur and organized by the Sustainable Development Foundation, a unit of Ek Kaam Desh Ke Naam, EKDKN, a non-funded, non-governmental organization dedicated to nation building. Rajiv Babbar, president of EKDKN, shared the organization's journey from its humble inception in 2007 to its current impactful standing. He emphasized that every individual has a role to play in serving the nation. He highlighted EKDKN's efforts in vocational training for visually impaired children, giving them the opportunity to fulfill their dreams. With the goal of establishing 75 coaching centers across India, many students are now achieving up to 95% marks. Scholarships are also provided to deserving students. Since 2013, EKDKN has been organizing award functions across various sectors to promote a culture of safety, CSR, waste management, renewable energy, and environmental protection, to strengthen Viksit Bharat mission of India. The 17th Exceed Occupational Health, Safety, Security, and Leadership Awards 2025 took place under the theme 360-degree Safety at the Workplace. Organized by EKDKN, the event honored industries that have established new benchmarks in fostering a robust safety culture. Participants were selected through a transparent evaluation process, assessed on multiple criteria, by a panel of senior safety professionals. The event was honored by the presence of Shri Krishna Kumar Vishnoi, Minister of Industry, Commerce, Skill and Employment, Government of Rajasthan. He spoke about Prime Minister Modi's vision for Viksit Bharat and emphasized the role of industrial safety in achieving this goal. He also highlighted Rajasthan's progress in industries, infrastructure, and tourism, reaffirming the state's commitment to national growth. Core EHS Solutions is the knowledge partner for the event, offering innovative environmental, health, and safety (EHS) solutions to organizations nationwide. By harnessing AI and IT advancements and incorporating ESG principles, enhances workplace safety and ensures regulatory compliance. Highlighting the event's theme, 360 degrees Safety at Work, Core EHS's safety expert emphasizes the pressing need for workplace safety. In 2024 alone, India witnessed over 400 industrial accidents, resulting in nearly 800 fatalities and over 1,000 injuries. Now, more than ever, implementing comprehensive safety measures is essential. Core EHS Senior Trainer Mr. Bhagirath Mohata describes the role of 360 degrees safety at work. He said that industrial accidents not only cause human loss but also lead to huge financial liabilities, including compensation, medical care, production loss, legal penalties, and rehabilitation costs. Accidents often stem from a lack of training, skill gaps, and non-compliance with safety standards. Proper safety training can reduce incidents by 75%. The conference was chaired by Shri Neeraj Sethi, former AD, EIL, who emphasized the critical need for 360 degrees safety at work to prevent future industrial disasters. A huge congratulations to all the winners for their remarkable achievements and unwavering dedication to advancing workplace safety. Your tireless efforts and innovative approaches have set new benchmarks in safety standards, fostering a culture of safety and care. Your commitment not only protects lives but also inspires industries to prioritize health and well-being across all levels. By championing safer workplaces, you pave the way for a more secure and resilient future for all. Your passion for safety excellence is truly commendable, and we are honored to celebrate your success. Keep leading the way and inspiring us all to strive for safety beyond compliance.